Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make doll bubble wrap. So, cause I got all the stuff to make like a bag or a box and stuff. So I decided to make bubble wrap for my doll. So, first what you'll need is some bubble wrap, of course. You can make your own bubble wrap. Blowing bubbles and gluing stuff together. And some scissors. And so, yeah, let's get started. And I really hope you comment on this because I have no comments. Oh, please. So, first what you're going to do is, oh my scissors are almost loose. So first what you're going to do is take your scissors and bubble wrap and cut how small you want it to be. Depends how small you want your package to be or how big you want your package to be. So then, if you want, you can open it up. Because there's like two sides, I think. Go ahead and open it up if there's two sides, but here's the button. Oh, open. So that's how you make doll bubble wrap, and yeah. To make the American Girl doll one, you want to just cut it bigger than the doll one, like this. This can be made out of for a mattress, not like a real mattress, but doll mattress. So doll mattress. Doll mattress. Ah, can't say it loud enough. So yeah. Hope you like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Alright. Please leave a comment. Please leave a comment because I never got comments before. So bye. And I hope you do leave a comment, or I'm not gonna do any more videos.